Okay, so once I have my 3D model completed in Tinkercad, the next job I have to do is get it sent to the printer. So first of all, we need to download the model. So we're going to click on Design, and then we're going to download for 3D printing. But another idea here is to change this name here. I've already done that, but to change the name, you need to click on Design, then click on Properties, and then you can change the name or the default name that Tinkercad gives you right here. Then you'll save the changes, and then we can go back and share this model again. So we're going to download for 3D printing, and then we're going to choose STL. STL is a file type that our printer recognizes, so we're going to click STL, and then Tinkercad will download that into the download folder, and our next job is to open another window and then go to our Google Drive. So in my Google Drive folder, I'm going to now drag the model that was downloaded, and I'm just going to drop it right into Google Drive. Okay, so there it is, Stickman 2. And the next job, because this is renamed, I don't have to rename it, but I could also rename it in Google Drive by right-clicking it and then clicking on here, Rename. But I do need to share it. I'm going to share it back with, you will share it, or students will share it with Mr. Clark. So you'll type in my email address at edu, same as yours. Same as your email address at the end, so it's swclark@educbe.ca. When it's in there correctly, you'll see my little name pop up, my little picture pop up, and then you're going to click send. And once that's done, it's shared with me, and I will then go into my shared with me folder, and I can drag it to the right place so that I can then print it at the 3D printer.